If you're using ActiveCampaign as your CRM and your email marketing software, plus you're using Hotmart to sell a digital product, you're probably wondering how to integrate Listboss from Hotmart with ActiveCampaign so you can automatically segment, tag, and send emails to your leads from Hotmart when they take a certain action. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pull that off. I'm Jason, growth specialist at Wildmail, where we help make ActiveCampaign even better for Europe-based businesses. Let's dive in. So if you're not familiar with the Listboss feature of Hotmart, it's a tool that allows you to organize your leads and then integrate directly with a third-party email marketing software like ActiveCampaign. So this allows you to add leads, buyers, contacts to lists, tag them, etc. Take actions in those third-party softwares like ActiveCampaign based on actions they take inside the Hotmart platform. There are a ton of events. You can check it out on the Hotmart website. You'll see cart abandonment, a bank slip is issued, different purchase statuses. They've downloaded a specific file, they've registered. So a bunch of different events that you can use to trigger through this integration actions on that third-party software, in our case, ActiveCampaign. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set that integration up right now. So first, inside Hotmart, you'll go up to the top right where it says Browse, click that and go to Tools. Inside Tools, you can just search Listboss. You're going to select the product that you want to set up Listboss for. In our case, we're going to use this test Wildmail ebook, hit create segmentation. It's now pulling up a list of email service providers, email marketing software. So you're going to select ActiveCampaign, of course. And then from here, you're going to enter your account name, API URL, and API key. You can click the links below to find out where to find this information. And I'm actually going to show you where to find it now inside ActiveCampaign. I'm going to blur out the sensitive information, of course, but this way you'll know where to find it in your account. So inside ActiveCampaign, we're going to go to Settings. And then from here, we're going to go to Developer. And you're going to have your URL, you're going to have your API key, obviously blurred out in this case. You're going to copy those, go back into Hotmart. Okay, you're going to paste the URL, you're going to paste the key, and you're going to give the account a name so that you have internal identification among your Hotmart products. You understand that this link is with ActiveCampaign for this specific product. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit integrate now. And you'll see this notification that says configuration successfully created in green. So that'll go away. And once that's gone away, you can proceed with setting up the integration so that when events happen and contacts take certain actions inside Hotmart, you can pass in information and trigger actions and events in ActiveCampaign to segment based on their behavior in this platform. So create your first segmentation. You can see here, create segmentation. The name of the segmentation will say test 1. Provider is, of course, going to be ActiveCampaign, and this is the integration we just set up for our ebook product. So I'll hit next. When the following event happens, it's super straightforward, step by step. When this happens in Hotmart, let's say they downloaded a specific file. They downloaded our ebook, for example. The following command will be performed in your provider. Remember, the provider is just ActiveCampaign, and you can add them to a list. Add the contact to a list with tags, add a tag to the contact, and remove the lead from a list. Now, in our case, we use just one list, one main list. You can check out this video that explains more about how to organize your CRM and segment based on tags. So we're most likely going to use just the add tag to contact. You can see here, the information you select below will be sent to your provider. You can choose email, their name, and their phone number, just in case you gather that inside Hotmart. It can update or create the contact in ActiveCampaign. Here's the tag where it's going to allow you to select any of your tags. You can copy and paste that in from ActiveCampaign. You can also remove tags with this feature as well. Once you've done that, hit add for the tag. Each specific tag, you'll hit add and then hit next. It says creating your segmentation. It gives you all of the information that you just input into Hotmart, and then you're going to save it. Once you've saved it, you can see it's not turned on by default, okay? So you're going to toggle that on when you're ready to have this running. You can also send a test through, edit it, or remove this integration and this specific type of segmentation that you've set up using your Hotmart Listboss and ActiveCampaign integration. If you have any questions about how to set this up or how to run the specific segmentations, drop them in the comments below and we'd be happy to help you out. Now, I mentioned earlier I'd explain more about Wildmail, and at Wildmail, we are one of the top resellers of ActiveCampaign in the world, and at its core, Wildmail is just ActiveCampaign, so nothing changes with your pricing, your API integrations, your email sequences, your campaigns, your login, your password. It all stays the same because it is ActiveCampaign at its core. We inherit your next billing cycle, so you don't get charged anything additional by us, but your next billing cycle will be through us, and then that allows us to stack additional benefits for free on top, especially for Europe-based businesses. So first, we've got premium localized support. We are based in Europe. We're delivering it in different languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Romanian, and we're leveraging years of experience as an ActiveCampaign agency in the past to help you get the most out of this tool today. You'll get custom onboarding with our support team, plus anyone on a plus plan or above will get a package of free consulting calls with us. If you're already working with a third-party agency or in-house, no worries, we'll do it with them. Now, we also have a library of free training you can use. And finally, we have Wild Metrics. Wild Metrics is our no-code API-based tracking app for the customer journey in ActiveCampaign. This allows you to track revenue by tags, revenue by automations, revenue by email campaigns. You can build out beautiful dashboards to make sense of the data and then optimize your campaigns to hit your next revenue goal. And you'll get a free account for that as well. So if you've never used ActiveCampaign before or Wildmail, you'll see a link below for a 14-day free trial through us. If you are using ActiveCampaign, no worries. You can move. There's no migration process. It's just moving the billing to us. It's a 5 to 10 minute process, super fast, and we can help you with that process. There's another link for moving your account below to get those additional benefits for free. And if you have any questions at all about Wildmail, just drop them below in the comments or shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to answer those for you. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe for more ActiveCampaign tutorials and hit the like button so we can reach more people just like you with this content. That's it from me. I will see you next tutorial. Cheers.